Hey, this is Felix, and today I'm going to review an affiliate network named AdCombo. I'm going to describe in short what this affiliate network is all about, and then I'm going to go point by point, bullet by bullet, about the features and perks this network has. Okay? Also, with your permission, I'm going to use my notes that I prepared for this video because I don't want to miss anything that is very important. Thus, I'm going to deliver the best information for you in this video. Okay, so let's get into it. AdCombo is a global affiliate network that connects advertisers with publishers to promote various offers such as products, services, mobile apps, and more. They offer a variety of CPA and CPL offers in various niches, including health, beauty, weight loss, and dating. AdCombo provides affiliates with a range of tools and resources to help them promote offers effectively, including landing pages, banners, and other marketing materials. The network also offers real time tracking and reporting so affiliates can monitor their performance and earning. Overall, AdCombo is a popular affiliate network among both advertisers and publishers due to its wide range of offers and competitive commission rates. And we're going to start with the most asked question. And this is a bullet that I singled out is a payout. A lot of affiliates asking about that. So it's payouts. Edcombo offers a minimum payment of $50 with payment processing occurring twice a week for affiliates. It offers a variety of payment options and accommodates affiliates including Pioneer, WebMoney, PayPal, bank account transfers, among others, platforms that are not known to me. And if you know about them, you heard about them, maybe you're using them, do put this in a comments. I'd like to know. Okay, those are Paxum, ePay Service, and Capitalist. So if you did use them or know about them, please let me know. Okay. Um, the next bullet point is geo. Um, this is pertaining to traffic. Okay, Edcombo offers. I'm sorry. Uh, Edcombo primarily focuses on tier two traffic, um, and which includes countries from Eastern Europe, South Asia, and Latin America. And these regions are characterized by lower competition and more affordable traffic, allowing affiliates to better capitalize on their promotional efforts. Niches. AdCombo's niches including Nutra, health and wellness, gambling, dating, mobile, apps and subscription, trading, such as Forex and cryptocurrencies, diet and sweepstakes, offering a diverse range of offers for affiliates to target various audiences and effectively monetize their traffic. Type of traffic. AdCombo accommodates diverse traffic sources like display ads, social media, native ads, email marketing, mobile advertising, content marketing, and influencer marketing, enabling affiliates to effectively optimize their chosen promotional methods. Some of the notable features that AdCombo provides are free product samples, landing and pre-landing pages translated into a 40 plus languages, and insightful articles and case studies for affiliates to enhance their campaigns. Commission type. EdCompass supports various commission structures, including CPA, stands for cost per action, CPL, cost per lead, and CPS, cost per sale, offering affiliates the flexibility to choose the most suitable model for their promotional efforts. Payment frequencies. AdCombo pays its affiliates weekly, offering a reliable and timely payment schedule to hassle-free earnings. And I left to the last bullet point. I left probably the most important feature, such as tracking software. AdCombo utilizes its own in-house tracking software, ensuring accurate and reliable tracking of affiliate performance without losing a single click, ultimately optimizing the monetization of your traffic. So, all in all, in my humble opinion, this is a great affiliate marketing network, and it's a definite yay from me. And if you would like to go and check it out, I'm going to leave a link for this network in the description box under this video. But if you're looking for a way of earning money online by becoming an affiliate marketer and you don't know where to start, or if you did start and don't get any traction whatsoever, um, well, for me, I've been doing this for quite a while, and I have this favorite strategy on how to get to 5 to 10K per month easily. And if you want to check this strategy out, I will include the link again under this video in the description box, and you can check this out. You can check the strategy out absolutely at no cost, absolutely free. And that's it for today. With that, I'm going to sign off and I'll see you in another video review. Bye bye.